How to sell options on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnel, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell options on Robinhood. Now, the buyer of options has the right but not the obligation to buy or sell an underlying security at a specified strike price, while a seller is obligated to buy or sell an underlying security at a specified strike price. If the buyer chooses to exercise the option, for every option buyer there must be a seller. Now, there are several discussions that must be made before selling options. That includes what security to sell options on, that is shares of XYZ company or such, the type of option, call or put, the type of order, that is market limit, stop loss, stop limit, trailing stop loss or trailing stop limit. The other is trade amount that can be supported, the number of options to sell, and the expiration month or the expire month. Now, with this information, a trader will go into his or her brokerage account, select a security, and go to an options chain. Once an option has been selected, the trader will go to options trade ticket and enter a sell to open order to sell options. Then he or she will make the appropriate selections, that is type of option, order type, number of options, and expiration month to place the order. So this way you can sell options on Robinhood. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.